Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 10, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts. But before I do, I always enjoy giving you all more evidence of our accurate price predictions without confusing any of our viewers or our members on our HueFin News Patreon page. Definitely got to give a plug for our organization here, because we are definitely doing some fantastic things for our members in this space. You can see here that we uploaded our video for the cryptocurrency price prediction of the top 10 yesterday at 2:51 p.m. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to read you this caption. I'm not going to get into any of the particular cryptocurrencies because you quite already have seen in the market today what occurred. This is what was written to our members. We still have about 5 more hours before we conclude with today's trading. Therefore, our analysis is subject to change. But right now, weakness is here, and it looks like it is here to stay for the foreseeable future. We can see some small pops here and there, but by no means are we seeing a change of tone in the cryptocurrency space in the long term. And you all can see here that Bitcoin has taken a huge sell-off in the market today. They are currently down 5.01%. Last trade was $6,363.80. The daily price chart confirms what we have placed on our HueFin News Patreon page, that the market is giving us weakness. I mean, we saw this coming multiple days ago, which is why you definitely need to become one of our members. Let's take a look at the 3-hour bar to see whether or not weakness is going to continue. And that is an emphatic yes. Still seeing some lot of weakness coming into Bitcoin on the 3-hour chart. 6,400, maybe 6,450 could be resistance. But again, we're not seeing a lot of indications of market strength at this particular time. So you would expect the continuation of movement lower. Best thing you might get out of Bitcoin is consolidation. But you can see here, even within this consolidation, that weakness is very apparent. So I'm looking for Bitcoin at best is to trade within consolidation, 64.25, maybe 64.50, but that's highly unlikely. All the way back down to 63.25 is that consolidation range. But currently, as what I'm seeing on the 1-hour chart, I still see weakness here. So overwhelmingly, I'm still seeing movement to the downside for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, as well as having a sell-off in the market today, they are down 8.51%. Last trade was $438.15. Taking a quick look on the daily price chart for Ethereum, you can see here again just pretty much the same thing with Bitcoin. The market is giving us a push to go down bar, and this one day literally encompasses all the effort and time it took for Ethereum to come up to $480, which tells us again that we have a ways to go back down to the downside. The market can still come all the way back down to the tops during this particular time, during the first half of September 2017, and as well as the middle half of June of 2017. Around $388 is where it's likely that Ethereum is going to try to come back down and find support. Now, if it breaks that area, that price, the last area that we can actually hold support is going to be around $350. So keep that in mind, and that is going to be a huge break for the cryptocurrency enthusiasts if we break that price in Ethereum. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Definitely seeing continued movement lower in price though. Let's take a quick look at the 3-hour chart for Ethereum, and again you can see weakness here, albeit it's holding a lot better than with Bitcoin. The market is giving us some weakness at this particular time, so we're still not done with lower prices. I can see Ethereum trading within a consolidation range of 444, 448 as resistance, and support all the way back down to $432, maybe a little lower than that, 428. But given what we have seen here over the last couple of hours, definitely tells us that we are not looking for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price. Best thing we're going to get is some sideways consolidation and then a continuation of movement back down to lower prices. Last one for today is going to be Litecoin. So you can see Litecoin as well as having a sell-off in the market, down 6.58%. Last trade was $76.36. Daily price chart for Litecoin, you can see here that we're coming right back towards the prior areas of support from 28th, 29th, as well as the 24th of June. Looking for Litecoin to continue to give us some weakness, but this cryptocurrency is not trading as bad as Ethereum and Bitcoin is at this particular time. We're just coming right back towards 72.50, which is support. Let's take a look at the 3-hour chart. At the conclusion of this 3-hour bar, if it looks the way that it looks now at the recording of our video, then again we're coming back down towards prior area of support, maybe even $75. 76 can't hold that support, but this is a true weakness bar that is currently being reflected on the 3-hour chart. Quick look at the 1-hour bars. You can still see that we tried to move the market higher, but we got inundated with more weakness, and lack of interest in higher prices gives us even more credence and credibility into stating that looking for Litecoin to continue to consolidate, move lower. 78 is resistance. Support could be 76, but ultimately it can come all the way back down to $73 to find support. But overwhelmingly, I'm not seeing any indications of a change in tone in the market. So again, the best thing we're going to get for these cryptocurrencies is consolidation and then a resumption to lower prices. So again, if you guys want to have a better understanding of language analysis and how quick it is to understand what the market is actually telling you, then you definitely need to become one of our members on our HueFin News Patreon page. The cost is relatively light to get this type of information, and you all could have definitely been forewarned of this impeding market sell-off that we have seen in the market today. You're not going to get this type of predictions anywhere else. So again, the offer is at our HueFin News Patreon page if you're willing and you're ready to get this type of analysis, and it's so simple and easy. We're not here to confuse you, and then on top of that, our analysis is often correct. That's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.